So Martin, once again, thank you very much. Is there a way to teach this entrepreneurship, this perspective you're talking about?
Absolutely. I mean, the experiential approach is, I think, the most effective way to go for this. How do you learn to be a helper? How do you learn to be a value creator for others? Well, you have to try to do it. So what we need to do is to challenge people, to ask them to go out and create value for others based on the knowledge and skills that they are currently working on wherever they are. So let's say you're an engineer or you are studying to become an engineer. Don't ask those people to start a company because they maybe are not interested in starting a company. Ask them to apply their engineering capabilities so that another human being is helped one way or another.
Wow.
Then they will have to apply their knowledge and skills, which will make them learn more about engineering. They will have to empathize with another human being. So they will have to adopt a mindset of thinking about what others need. They have to think about how can the knowledge they have in engineering help other people. So then I often ask teachers to use a question with their students. It's a very simple question. It goes like this. For whom could this knowledge be valuable today?
Okay.
And this question, most students have never been asked this question before. But when they are invited to think about this, interesting things happen. I've seen it many times in our research on this, and that could be a starting point. But then, of course, sometimes they need some help to connect their own knowledge to the needs of others, and then there are methods for this. We have a lot of different entrepreneurial methods that do exactly this job of connecting people's knowledge and skills and ideas with the needs of others. I mean, we have, but the problem with these methods is that they are emphasizing business and profit and money, which I think is a problem with these methods. I often say that you need to take these methods and throw them into a washing machine and wash away all the business connotations, because they are actually not needed. You can use, for example, Steve Blank's customer development methodology, and without ever mentioning the need to run a company or to make a profit, you can just go out and work with what he calls customer discovery.
Okay.
And customer discovery is how you discover who you can help with what you know. As simple as that. So there are methods for this, but the job we need to give our students to learn this is to try to create value for others, preferably by using the knowledge and skills they already have and that they are currently working on to acquire. Yeah, so that's how you do it.
Anyway, thank you. So that means it can be applied anywhere, irrespective of race, religion, color, department, subject.
Yeah, anywhere.
And that gives us a very broader definition of entrepreneurship.
Yeah.
And that can be applied anywhere, in any setting.
Yeah.
Any setting, and that's a hope. Then we become a messenger of hope.
Yeah.
So thank you very much.